how your gut health affects your whole body, and that's mainly through the helpful germs that we have. Actually, we have many bacteria in our body, and we have bacteria more than the cells of our body. Most are good for you. The ones found in your gut not only help you digest food, they work all over your body and can be good for your physical and mental health as well. Gut microbiome. This is home base for the bacteria in your digestive tract. Here they help you break down food and turn nutrients into things your body can use. They stop growing when they run out of food, so you will only have what you need. Fighting the good fight in the gut microbiome is the good bacteria do more than just help with digestion, as we mentioned. They help keep your bad bacteria in check. They multiply so often that the unhealthy kind do not have space to grow. When you have a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, it's called equilibrium. Unhealthy balance studies have found that if you have too much of certain kind of bad bacteria in your gut microbiome, likely to have these diseases: Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome, which called IBS. Researchers are looking into new treatment for these diseases using the bacteria and using the gut microbiome. Gut bacteria and your heart. Some kinds of gut bacteria may be part of the link cholesterol has to heart disease. When you eat foods like red meat or eggs, those bacteria make a chemical that your liver turns into something we call it TMAO, and this chemical may help cholesterol build up in your blood vessels. Researchers are studying a natural substance called DMB that found in the olive and grapeseed oil. They think it might keep your bacteria from making the TMAO. Gut bacteria and your kidneys. Too much TMAO also may lead to chronic kidney diseases. People who have the disease do not get rid of the TMAO like they should or they're supposed to do. That excess can lead to heart disease, and the researchers think it's possible that too much TMAO might make more likely to have a chronic kidney diseases. Gut bacteria and your brain. Your brain sends message all over your body, and it is believed that your gut may talk back. Studies show that the balance of the bacteria in the gut microbiome might affect your emotions and the way your brain processes information from your senses, like sight, sounds, flavors, or textures. Scientists suspect that changes in the balance may play a role in conditions like autism spectrum disorder, anxiety, and depression, as well as chronic pain. Can you imagine this bacteria in charge of all of these functions? Let's move to gut bacteria and obesity. An unhealthy balance in your gut microbiome may cause crossed signals from your brain when it comes to feeling hungry or full. Researchers think there may be a link to the pituitary gland, which makes hormones that set your appetite. That gland can affect the balance of bacteria in your gut. Some studies on treating obesity are exploring this link, and recently some study found a kind of bacteria or probiotic that help to reduce weight. Now let's talk about how can probiotic help us. They can make your immune system stronger. They may boost gastrointestinal health, especially if you have something like irritable bowel syndrome. Some probiotics may help ease allergy symptoms and help with lactose intolerance, but because our gut microbiomes are unique, that's why the way it works is different from one person to another, and it's good to reduce the bad bacteria and we increase the good one. And here we do advise about the Gut Plus probiotics, which has a patency from Denmark, and it's able to eradicate the bad bacteria. The most famous one is the H. pylori Helicobacter pylori, and by that we eradicate the bad bacteria and we keep a good balance of the good bacteria.